Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit a punch in the paycom app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the paycom app on your phone. Once you're on the login page, enter your company ID, username and password. Then tap login. You can also use Face ID or Touch ID if you have set it up. Once you're on your home page, look at the top left of the screen and tap on the menu button. It looks like three little lines, or from your home screen option you can tap on time management, then select time card. Scroll through your time card and find the day and shift you want to edit. Tap on the punch you would like to fix. Here you can adjust the clock in time, clock out time, or even add missing punches. Just tap the field, type in the correct time and make your changes. Once you are done, tap save. Depending on your company's setting, your manager may need to approve the edit. You will see that change marked as pending until it's approved. And that's it. You have just edited a punch in paycom app using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.